Hello everyone! Welcome to Fun Art Class. I'm your teacher, Teacher Jimin, and for our class, we're going to make a forsythia flower. Our requirements are a small piece of paper. Let's begin our class. First, going to make a triangle. We're going to fold it from one edge to another edge, another corner from another corner, and then open it, and the other side you're going to fold it, and then you're going to open the paper, and then following the line you're going to push towards the center, and then you're going to fold it. After this corner folds half, and then open it, flip it, and do the same. Likewise to the other side. Fold it, open it, flip it, fold it again. After this, the down part, it's better for you to flip pages, flip and then press it. It's gonna be easy for you. And then the down, you can open the down, and then following the lines that you've fold, you can fold it all of the sides. And then going to again compress it to the center. After this, if this shape is formed in this space, you're going to open, you're going to pull it up, then you're going to roll the edge. And when the flower is done, you're going to make the rest. Open it, pull it up, and roll the edge. Open it, pull it up, roll the edge. Then you're done making. Friends, how was the class? Today we made a forsythia flower. I hope you enjoyed, and also you can teach your friends or siblings and you can have more fun, right? Before we end, if you like this program or would you like to be a part of us, you can SMS through the link number on your screen. Also, we have YouTube page, Facebook page. You can go and search GBS TV Africa. Then you can watch many other episodes, right? So until next time, bye!